Digital estate planning platforms are becoming increasingly popular. Can these platforms create liability for broker-dealers and RIAs? They help clients organize wills, trusts, beneficiary information, and other important planning documents. They can also strengthen client relationships by making estate planning more accessible. But here's the question many firms haven't considered. When does helping with estate planning cross the line into creating legal liability? The technology itself isn't necessarily the problem. The real issue is what your firm does with it. If your representatives begin designing, coordinating, funding, administering, or implementing an estate plan, a court may conclude that you've assumed responsibilities beyond traditional investment advice. That can significantly expand your potential legal exposure. One court case often discussed in this area involved a financial professional who became deeply involved in a client's estate planning process. While the case wasn't about a digital platform, it illustrates an important principle. The more involved a financial professional becomes in implementing an estate plan, the greater the possibility that others may rely on that involvement. For broker-dealers, this creates important supervisory considerations. For RIAs, fiduciary obligations may also come into play depending on the services being provided. The takeaway isn't to avoid estate planning conversations. It's to clearly define your firm's role. Coordinate with qualified estate planning counsel. Establish appropriate supervisory procedures. Document responsibilities carefully. Maintain evidence of due diligence performed. And make sure clients understand where your firm's services begin and where they end. Digital estate planning tools can be valuable. But as with any new technology, success isn't just about adopting the platform. It's about managing the risks that come with it. If your firm is evaluating digital estate planning services, now is a good time to review your policies, supervisory procedures, and client communications to ensure they're aligned with your actual business practices. At Legay Law, we make regulations make sense. For regulatory updates via email, subscribe at legaylaw.com.